Tyler, close the door. Great. Finally, look. Bad storm. Bad storm.
I didn't want to die.
Lovely. The whole world's gonna collapse. Guys, if something happens, it was nice knowing you people. All aboard?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay. You want only ketchup, Lou? You love ketchup. It was nice knowing it. Wow, Jesus.
Right after lightning is always thunder.
It's gotta be time for it.
It's true. I just want you to if I was at my house and I was really well, I would
See, this is
it's big. You know a paddleboard? It's why are so many people here? Yeah, I hate this. I'm painting. You guys should
Does it have something to let you scan?